Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your iPhone XS Max. Let's start by powering on your device. Simply press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. To turn it off, hold the side button and either volume button, then slide to power off. Navigate with intuitive gestures. Swipe up from the bottom for the home screen, or swipe down from the top right for control center. Swipe down from the top left for notifications. These basic interactions are your foundation for a smooth experience. The iPhone XS Max boasts an impressive dual 12-megapixel camera system, perfect for capturing life's moments. Experiment with portrait mode to add beautiful depth of field effects to your photos, making your subjects truly stand out. For video enthusiasts, you can record stunning 4K footage at 60 frames per second, ensuring every detail is crisp and clear. Don't forget to explore the various lighting effects available to enhance your portraits even further. Your iPhone XS Max is powered by the incredibly efficient A12 Bionic chip, delivering swift performance for all your tasks. Head over to the App Store to discover and download millions of applications, from productivity tools to engaging games. Utilize Face ID for secure and convenient authentication, whether unlocking your phone or making purchases with Apple Pay. This powerful combination of hardware and software makes your daily interactions seamless and secure. To ensure your iPhone XS Max performs optimally, consider these tips. Extend your battery life by adjusting settings like low power mode and reducing background app refresh. Always keep your device's software updated to access the latest features and security enhancements. Regularly back up your important data to iCloud or your computer, safeguarding your precious memories and information. These simple steps will help maintain your phone's longevity and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.